this is a self-massage for your psoas. So you're gonna place a ball, again, it could be a tennis ball or a softer ball, and then you're gonna lie on top of it. And you can start with the ball above your hip bones, so above where your front pocket might be. And then you can just lie here and take a couple deep breaths. The intention is that with your breath, you're sinking into the ball a little bit more. Now, if this is uncomfortable, you can always adjust or use a softer ball or cushion it a little bit. And then take the ball and you can place the ball where your front pocket would be, so a little bit lower. And none of this should be right on the bone, so like where your muscle is or your soft tissue is and the meaty part of your body. And then you take a couple deep breaths here. And that was for your psoas or your hip flexors.